so was, die Fische. Alright, so look, y'all. Y'all know what we on today. Let me close my door. Kids, click off this video. Anyways.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test.
You just go come in my room and then not announce yourself. Today, boys, we finna go lay some people down. And by people, I mean that little sheep that has like a person on it. Yeah, he's getting cooked today. I gotta get my practice in. I gotta get my practice right. All right? I just want to take y'all with me. Hope y'all enjoyed the last video. Or maybe this is the first video I post, I doubt it, but if you are enjoying what y'all seeing, support me. Hit that like button, not hit it. Eat that like button. Let's go do this shit. Hey, what you shooting today?
Huh?
What you shooting today?
I think I want to shoot the AR.
It's kind of chilly outside. Wait, I might go back in and put some pants on. I didn't know it was cold outside. Hey man, y'all heard it from this nigga. This nigga finna shoot a Draco tonight, bro. Yo, they got ACOG. Bro, I be playing Siege. They got ACOG. Look at that scope on that boy. Let me find out. I ain't gonna lie, I see some shit with like a scope on it, and I need to know if it has the same reticle that ACOG has in Rainbow Six Siege. I need to know. I need to. I play too much Siege for this shit not to have that shit on it. So I'm about to ask Dog, like, let me see that bitch real quick. And I'm gonna check back in with y'all real quick. But I am just looking around though, cause they do got some crazy shit in here though. So yeah, I'm about to ask, bro. I'm gonna be right back. Hold on, y'all. Look. Somebody stole your pole? Oh hell nah. Somebody stole your pole. Bro, it's my first time holding one, so you gotta walk me through it a little bit.
There's not much to it. Shoulder on your hand, point at the ceiling or the wall right behind me.
Right.
Finger on the trigger, magazine release.
It's on the right side?
Yep.
Alright. Cool. Finger in the
It's got some weight to it.
Yeah, sure. Little horse. Got the flash. It's like a military gun, for real.
Is it sight up here?
I don't see nothing though.
So the sight at the top toggle or no?
No, it's battery only.
Oh, this is nice. It's that M4, yeah.
That one? Alright, sure.
Dude, you got the. Okay, so look, you got the grip on it, the flash, 2 sights. What else is there on it? Like, what's this right here? Is this a
Bipod.
Huh?
It's a bipod. You'll sit down and switch off the sniper net.
Oh, so this is like a stand.
Yeah.
How you do that?
Okay. Go, put it in there, please.
I'm sorry. I don't. Oh, so you just knock it down.
Yep, just like that.
Yo. This is so cool, dude. Got the stand on it. Y'all see this? looks a little blurry by the sight though.
You want to be your head further back.
Further
The closer
back?
your head is,
Yeah.
the more blurry it is, and the more likely you're going to get a black icon shooting it.
Oh yeah, you're right. So kickback. So further.
You can adjust the stock as well if you need to.
Oh no, that's way clearer. I mean, even still here, it looks a little blurry though. It's supposed to be like that.
Depending on eyesight, it's going to be always a 50-50. It's not always going to be guaranteed it's going to be straight.
Right.
Because for me, it's not, because I actually own one of these optics.
Okay.
But the way it is designed for is the more light going in here, the brighter it's going to be in there. For you, if you that you say it's being blurry, it may actually be perfect for your eyesight.
Oh, because it's like, okay, prescription kind of.
And
Like my
not
glasses.
really prescription, more depending on what your eye type is. But the way these are set up is it's sort of like Black Ops 2 had the weird optics when you're scoping in that you can't see anything around you, like in Call of Duty Ghost as well. That everything was blurry around it. You usually have to find that in the ACOG.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I mean, I remember it go dark if you hold your
Yes.
breath.
100%.
okay. Nah, this is looking cool though. I could really get down with this.
What do you?
So, AR-15,
How many rounds though?
30 round.
30. Automatics?
No. I mean, you can put in every.
7.62 $.
You can, but at that point, just making a new gun will be a lot easier on you.
Okay.
So they put a suppressor on 12 gauge.
No, it's a fake suppressor.
Oh.
Isn't that a shotgun?
Yes.
That's sick.
Basically, it's the Russians' equivalent to a AK-12 gauge.
Oh, this is
1500.
Same as before, finger out the trigger and point at the wall behind you, please.
Oh, this got the cape. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, this is way too much.
Boy, that kickback will dislocate your shoulder.
Nah, gotta be holding right.
What did he need a scope for?
That was just him putting a scope on it. That was his choice. These are consignment guns, so a lot of people do what they choose to do with it, regardless.
If I'm gonna come shotgun, I'm gonna get like a shotgun. Like that.
Double barrels.
That's semi-automatic, right?
Yes.
That's insane.
No, literally.
Necessarily, not unless you put an FRT into it.
FLT.
Finger off the trigger, same as before.
Yeah, for sure. Nah, this is like some real shit. This was the safety.
Yes. Safety's on, and then if you push it down, safety's off.
And then the mag, where the mag down.
Magazine release
Right
is
here.
right here. You push it forward towards the mag while holding the mag.
I got some weight
It's
to
hard,
it.
it's hard to take off.
Ooh. It's that like, oh yeah. What's this like, 40?
No, 30 rounder.
30? Dude, this is a military weapon. You gotta push it.
Somebody running that is shooting that shit.
If you want to be technical, all guns are technically military guns. Same for 22s. Because if you gotta think about it, bolt actions were military grade guns, but civilians still use them.
Both action.
Yeah, because they were considered assault weapons, just like the M1 Garand over there, and that's an 8-round only, and it's semi, just like this one.
Semi. It's not bad.
Only difference is politicians like to get money for businesses, same for gun industry as well, just to scare people to make more gun laws. That's all it is.
You gotta see this reticle, bro. This bitch is hard. It's just the accuracy is probably like terrible once you send that second shot in. Fast. Even the iron sights. Yeah. I can give it to him.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that bitch is butter. I wouldn't run automatic though. Like I couldn't see myself trying to aim this. Yeah. It's big as shit.
Like, I would just put it back on one shot. And this 7.6 too, right?
Yes, 760 by 39.
Man, I'm ready. Why they ain't call us yet? I'm so ready.
You can do 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's probably around 1, 2, 5 rounds a piece.
Done, 7.
I know, but you can still put these at 5 rounds a piece though. Like you do 5, you do 5.
If the power go out again,
It ain't gonna go out again. You'll be here all day.
it must be a sign, right? Alright, boys. Suited and booted. I'm gonna take my earring out real quick. You go first. Good look. We gonna talk about the other two though.
Good job.
That's hard.
Like,
It's really not even that bad too.
weak.
Nah, you chilling.
You just trying different styles though. It's okay.
Yeah, that was I've never.
Nah. You don't want to get one more?
Yeah, I came with y'all.
Ain't got no more bullets. We ain't got no more bullets.
Sure. Something good about from about 5 feet.
Nah, you good. You can shoot.
For sure, for sure. I don't feel so.
Yeah.
Alright, man, we just made it back to the crib. I'm still in the full fit and everything. I gotta show y'all these results. You feel me? Feel me? What the fuck are you doing? Weirdo. Anyways, let me flip the camera real quick. Alright, so look, boys. What I'm about to show y'all right here is the very first time I ever shot, okay? Ever. Mind you though, it was 5 feet, so. But look though. My brother's on the left. Bow, 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 bow. Me right here. Bow, 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 bow. What is you talking about, man? I'm like that. I'm on the green the whole time and 2 headshots. Who do it like me off the rip? Off the rip though. Alright, so that was that one. I think this one, let me see. Okay. So I think what I'm about to show y'all right here was 5 feet again, but it was rapid fire. So I'm like, instead of like, bow, take my time, bow, I'm like, bow, bow, bow. You feel me? All right, here we go. It's my brother. Bow, bow, bow. I don't know what that is, but he got a little 3-piece, little leg, chicken, thigh. You know what I'm saying? I said, bow, bow, bow. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. But look though, you feel me? We still hitting that target. You feel me? At the end of the day, we still hitting that target. So, what are you talking about? Now what I'm about to show y'all is one more round of, I think it's one more round of 5 feet, but also one round of 10 feet. So this is the last sheet, but it's just more shots. All right. So here we go. It's my brother. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow, bow. All right. And it's me. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. I like the whispers, but at the end of the day, I think the reason we had less shots that hit the actual target is because we pushed it back 5 feet. Low-key not bad. That's kind of easy. I mean, it's not even easy. Like, you still gotta like have control, but it's just more likely for you to hit the target. And then, but yeah, even at 10 feet, it really was like 20. Like 10 is like just the number they show you, but it really was like 20 though. Like, you gotta lock in, but the shot was there. The shot was there, bro. I'm on my Call of Duty shit, bro. I know y'all niggas play Call of Duty, bro. Like, when you gotta click R3 on the controller to hold your breath, or whatever the keyboard is, y'all keyboard ass niggas. I'm a keyboard ass. Anyway, when you hold your breath, wow, you go hit that target. I'm trying to tell you, bro. When you go hit that target, bro. I'm trying to tell you. So yeah, man. First little trip to the gun range. It was a cool experience. I literally can't wait to go again. That shit was so fun, bro. Like, I thought that bitch was gonna fucking explode in my hand, bro. Like, I had my brother go first, cause like, I'm like, I need to see you do this shit, bro. I'm not gonna do this shit first, bro. He shot that bitch like, pow, like just a little bit. He said, hold it the right way, and I was like, all right. And he calmed me down. I'm like, pow. That shit was crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Got a little food, you know what I'm saying? A little pee-wee, whatever y'all call it. Bust this shit down. Probably keep sipping. Shit. That's it, boys. Thank y'all for tagging along with Lil MC. Or Herpes Show. I don't know what I'm calling myself. But MC Herpes Show, both names fit the role, fit the character, fit me. So I just want to thank y'all for tapping in with me. Thank y'all for watching this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one.